Officials say the victims of the bombing included women and children, and among the scores injured, Mohibullah Mohib, a spokesman for the provincial police chief in Faro, said most are in critical condition. The bus was traveling on a main highway between the western city of Herat and the southern city of Kandahar when it hit the roadside bomb. No one immediately claimed responsibility, but provincial officials are blaming the Taliban, known to operate in the region and frequently target government officials and security forces with roadside bombs. And we have seen before how these bombs can miss their intended targets and kill civilians instead. This attack comes as negotiators appear to be closing in on a deal to remove all American troops from the country. The U.S. peace envoy for Afghanistan, Zalmay Khalilzad, announced that he is on his way to Doha for more talks with Taliban, with a stop along the way in Islamabad. He said that if the Taliban does its part, the U.S. will do theirs, and that they will conclude the agreement that both sides have been working on for over a year. Another sign a deal with the U.S. may be near, an announcement made by the Afghan government that a 15-member delegation has been named to negotiate directly with the Taliban, something that Taliban has said is impossible until all foreign forces leave the country.